Okay, so we're planting garlic. This is a head of garlic, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to split it into the individual cloves so I can plant them. So if I just open it up like that, we can easily see all the separate cloves inside there. So inside this head there's going to be maybe up to 10 or so cloves that I can plant. So I'll just open them up like that, so we've got all the individuals, and each of these will grow in about the next 7 or 8 months or so into a whole new head of garlic, each one of them. They need to be planted at the start of winter because they like the cold weather to get them going. So it's dead simple. Make sure you've got the pointy end up and where the roots are at the base, and it's just a case of a bit of a hole in the ground. And I like to bury my garlic so that you can't see any of it when it's gone. So when I cover it up, it's gone. I'm going to mark the row afterwards so that I know where it is. I'm going to plant my garlic about my hand fork apart, so that's something like about 20 centimeters or so apart, and then I'll put my next garlic clove in, and all I'll do is I'll just keep going up and down the bed until all of these are planted. This is a small bed out at the back garden of our house, but I'll plant other bits of garlic, other types of garlic, down our allotment we have, which is about a mile or so away from where we live. I'll stop there for now because what I can show you is actually I plant lots of different types of garlic, and you can go onto websites, you can buy different types. One of the ones we like in this house is elephant garlic, where each clove is the size of a normal garlic head to start with, and you end up with a really large garlic head of about the size of a good fist or so at the end of the season. Different types of garlic might suit different areas better. It's always a good idea to read up on them and to see which one would suit wherever you're living, so that you can pick the good one to grow. They're all specifically varieties that have got all different types of, that are happier in different environments than others.